How you doing, guys? Chris here from Divergent Drones. Well, here's part 2 where we look at the best drones for under $1,000. If you missed part 1 where we looked at the best drones for under $500, I'll put a link in the video description below. First up, we have the Dji Digital Fpv System. This is broken up into a few different pieces. The goggles are about $550, the remote is about $300, and each pre-built drone, depending on use case, can cost you about $300 to $500. Of course, there's always the option of building your own to meet your exact need and price point. But if you're looking for something that's more of a package deal, there's the Hubsan Ace Series. There are 3 different versions of the Hubsan Ace: the Ace SE, the Ace Pro, and the Ace Pro Plus. This drone looks really good on paper, but it's still too new to tell if this is going to be a quality product or not. The SEs tend to be the most reliable, but I would definitely do your research before you purchase one. Next up, we have the Dji Mavic Air 2. Yes, this drone has already been succeeded by the Dji Air 2S, but it's still a really good drone, and for $799, it comes in at quite a bargain. Autel has released the Evo Nano Series, and this is a great sub 250 gram drone with obstacle avoidance and a sensor the same as the Air 2. Along with the Nano Series, they have the Evo Lite Series, which is about the same size and weight with a better sensor than the Dji Air 2. Autel drones are a direct competitor with Dji drones. Skydio has recently reduced the amount for the Skydio 2 for the holiday season to $949. Until the Mavic 3 can get its affairs in order, the Skydio has the best-in-class obstacle avoidance. If you're looking to have some fun, the Dji Fpv drone is what you're looking for. The Dji Fpv drone can reach speeds of 99.3 miles per hour and has a range of accessories that are awesome. Recently reduced to $999, and the goggles can be used to expand to FPV drones. I love this set. Next drone up is the Dji Air 2S. This is probably the best bang for your buck in this category. 1-inch sensor, really good obstacle avoidance, and it's $999. It's also $989 at Costco's, but you have to have a Costco membership to get it at that price. But it does come with an extra battery and an SD card, so it could be worth it. That was my picks for $500 to $1,000. Stay tuned for the next episode where we go from $1,000 to $5,000. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.